Let's balance the equation here, H3BO3 decomposing into H4B6O11 and water. This is boric acid here. So when we have this equation here, the first thing we need to do is count up all of the atoms here. So reactant side, we have 3 hydrogens, just the 1 boron, and 3 oxygens. Product side, we have 4 hydrogens, but don't forget these 2 out here. So that gives us 6 total hydrogens. Boron 6, and then oxygen 11, and again don't forget we have this 1 out here, so we have a total of 12 oxygen atoms. So now we can try to balance the equation. I like to leave oxygen till last. I think I'm just going to put a 6 in front of the boric acid, so the 6, it applies to everything. 3 times 6, that gives us 18 hydrogen atoms. 1 times 6, 6 borons, and then 3 times 6, again we have 18, in this case, oxygen atoms. All right, looks like, why don't we try to balance the hydrogens? The question is, do we change the coefficient here or here? So when I look at the hydrogens, I have 4 here. So 4 plus some number would give me 18. I think I'm going to change the coefficient on the water. Since that's a smaller molecule, maybe that'll work out better. That won't change the borons. So 4 plus 14 would give me the 18. So let's put a 7 here. 2 times 7 is 14. Let's update the hydrogens. So I have the 4 here plus 2 times 7 is the 14. So that gives us a total of 18. But the 7, it goes to everything. We have to update the oxygen atoms. So we have 11 plus 7 times 1. That gives us 7. And that gives us 18. And we've balanced this equation. So the trick here, make sure you count the atoms up here on this side correctly. You have 4 hydrogens and 2 hydrogens initially, and the 11 oxygens, 1 oxygen initially. And then I decided to change the coefficient on the water in order to balance the hydrogen since it's the smaller molecule and it doesn't have that boron in it. It just worked out. This is Dr. B with the balanced equation for the decomposition of H3BO3, boric acid. The states for this, we'd have a solid. This would be a solid as well. And water, if it's hot, might be a gas, or if you let it cool down, it would be a liquid. Thanks for watching.